I ate all your Halloween candy. It was good. The baby was hungry. It was hungry. It needed candy. It was a hungry baby. It needed to eat the candy. We'll get more next year.
No.
Why?
No.
Well, what was I supposed to eat? I was hungry.
Nothing.
Nothing. But the baby wanted candy.
Well, I don't want you to eat mine. There's more in somewhere else.
Like where?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen there's candy?
Yeah.
So I saved that for you.
No, I want it. I don't like those candies. And I already opened it. Look, I already opened it.
Okay, so you had the last candy right there. Lucky
Well,
girl.
there's another one in there.
All right. Happy Halloween to you. It was delicious.
Well, stop eating my stuff. I don't like you.
I don't like you either. I'm never taking you Halloween trick-or-treating then. Who took you trick-or-treating for all that candy?
Mommy.
Okay then, can I eat it?
The next day when I get candy and Halloween, no more eating it.
Got it.
not eating it.
Love you.
No, not
I love you. Can I have that one? Can I have a bite?
eating it.